Alright, this is a quick little video showing y'all when y'all see a trailer that need repairs, because there's a lot of trailers that need repairs that we're not picking up, but we're not sending a maintenance request form for somebody to come and fix the trailer. So on this video I'm doing a quick little summary about how to send a maintenance repair so somebody can come out and fix the empty trailer while you're still rolling. The first thing you do is you'll be on this screen. You go to maintenance, you go to repair request. It says if this is an immediate safety related DOT or low critical issue, call fleet support. This is not a critical load or DOT. This one is an example. I have a trailer that's here that has a nail in the tire, so the tire is low, but there's more trailers here, so I can pick up the other trailer. At the same time, I need somebody to come out and fix that trailer so the next driver don't have to worry about the problem. So I go to trailer, road service, vendor repair, non-urgent repairs that need to be handled quickly. So I go to that, and then the trailer number that I'm trying to get fixed is 671204. Then you touch it, then you go to next. It says, are you within 50 feet of the damaged equipment? Yes. Okay. Local description. So I need to put the address. So I put the address in this address column. Then it says next. Okay, so it's nail in tire, front tandem, inside tire, driver's side. Now I add the photo that I took of the tire. And I try to take at least 2 photos. Then I do next. And then I go my supervisor. I'm not putting the right number in. But it's just an example. And then I submit. Then they give you a service, but they'll never call you. They'll send somebody out to fix it. And this is the service incident report. So that's being sent to JB Hunt. Now, us as a team need y'all to do this, because that's how we stay moving, is picking up trailers that's nothing wrong with them. So please help me, help us, and we can keep moving. Thank you.